According to Consumer Reports, Hyundai is one of the safest car brands going into 2027. Now, I'll be honest with you, anytime I see brand-wide safety rankings, I'm interested, but I'm also a little suspicious because one safe model does not mean every vehicle in the showroom is automatically a home run. But in Hyundai's case, Consumer Reports says the strength is consistency. More than half of their lineup reportedly scored at the top safety level, and the rest still scored pretty well. And that's important because if you're shopping for a car, SUV, hybrid, or EV, you don't want safety to depend entirely on buying the most expensive trim. Now, the Elantra earned a top safety pick from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, while the Sonata, Ioniq 5, Kona, Tucson, Ioniq 9, Santa Fe, and Palisade earned top safety pick plus recognition. That's a pretty wide spread. Small car, midsize, compact, electric, family SUV, three-row SUV. So if Consumer Reports is saying Hyundai deserves to be near the top, I can understand the argument. But here's where I'd push back just a little bit. Don't just hear Hyundai is safe and stop doing your research. Look at the exact model, the exact year, trim, because safety features, headlights, driver assistance, camera, sensors, and crash test results can change depending on the vehicle. For everyman driver shoppers like yourself, Hyundai makes sense because it often combines value, features, and safety without forcing you into luxury brand money. Next is Lincoln, and this one surprised me a little bit. Lincoln is the only American brand in this group, and Consumer Reports gives Lincoln strong marks, with nearly 3/4 of its vehicles reportedly scoring at the highest safety level. That sounds good, but here's the red flag. The rest of the lineup reportedly scored only at the basic level. So this is not one of those situations where I would say, go buy any Lincoln and you're good. With Lincoln, I would be very specific. Check the exact SUV, the exact safety score, check the standard equipment, check those crash test results. Because Consumer Reports mentions the Lincoln Nautilus earning an Insurance Institute for Highway Safety top safety pick, but no Lincoln model listed here earned the top safety pick plus. Again, that doesn't mean Lincoln's unsafe, but it does mean you shouldn't buy just by the badge alone. Lincoln today is an SUV-only brand, and the appeal is pretty clear. Comfort, quiet cabins, smooth ride, a more relaxed luxury feel. This is not a brand trying to out BMW. It's more about driving around in something plush and calm without feeling like you need to explain your monthly payment to your spouse. But as a buyer, I would be cautious. If you're looking at Lincoln because of this Consumer Reports ranking, make sure you know which models are carrying the brand and which ones may be weaker.
Real quick here, if you're even thinking about buying a new or used car, truck, or SUV this year, hit subscribe because each week I break down which cars to avoid, which ones actually hold their value, how to make sure you don't overpay at the dealership, and how to avoid buying the wrong trim. I appreciate the support, and thanks again for watching.
Next is Acura, and Acura being on this list doesn't shock me. Acura is Honda's luxury brand, and say what you want about Acura, but Honda usually understands practical, real-world engineering. Some people love to say that Acura is just a nicer Honda, and honestly, that's not always a bad thing. If the foundation is solid, if the safety tech is strong, and if ownership costs are more reasonable than some luxury rivals, that can actually be a smart place to shop. According to Consumer Reports, around 3/4 of Acura vehicles earned the highest safety score, and the rest earned a strong rating. That consistency line matters. Acura may not always feel as flashy as BMW, Mercedes, Audi, or Genesis, and depending on the model, the interior may not feel as fancy as the price suggests. But Acura usually gives you a nice balance of premium feel, safety, reliability, reputation, and low drama. At least that's the theory. Now, here's the part that makes me pause. Consumer Reports says Audi did not have an Insurance Institute for Highway Safety top safety pick or top safety pick plus award listed. So again, we need to be careful. Consumer Reports may rank the brand highly, but that doesn't mean every outside safety organization is giving Acura the same applause. That's why I always say, don't shop by reputation only. Shop the specific vehicle. Maybe look at the RDX, MDX, ADX, that's the newer one, or the Integra. Then compare the safety ratings, the features, the price, the ownership cost over 5 years. Acura could be a very smart buy for the right person, but I want to know what you think as an owner. Does Acura's safety systems feel polished, or are they behind the best in the business? Now we have Genesis. Genesis is interesting because this brand has moved fast. It hasn't been around nearly as long as Lexus, Mercedes, BMW, or Audi, but it has already built a reputation for strong design, lots of features, upscale cabins, and a pretty aggressive value. And according to Consumer Reports, Genesis is also one of the safest brands for 2027. So they say well over 3/4 of the Genesis models earned the highest safety score. And if the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety Awards listed here help the argument, great. The G80, GV60, GV70, GV80 all earned Top Safety Pick Plus recognition. So that covers sedans, EVs, and SUVs. So from a safety standpoint, Genesis is not trying to look premium. It appears to be backing it up with real crash test and safety tech credibility. What I like about Genesis is that the vehicles usually feel loaded without making you climb through endless packages. A lot of safety tech and comfort features are either standard or easier to get compared with some German luxury brands. But here's where I would still be careful. Genesis is still building its long-term reputation. People are starting to come around, but it's going to take a while. Dealer experiences can vary. Resale value can also vary. Service access can depend on where you live. So yes, Consumer Reports may like the safety side of this, but you as a buyer, have you looked at the full ownership picture yet? Because safety matters, but so does service, depreciation, warranty support, and whether you have a good dealer nearby. So Genesis owners, I want to hear your input now. Does the brand feel as premium and as safe as a ranking suggests, or is this ownership experience still catching up? Well, finally, we have Mazda. Mazda might be the brand on this list that makes the most sense to me, not because Mazda's perfect. Some Mazdas are tighter inside than competitors, so no, cargo space is not always best in class. Rear seat room can be just okay. And if you're looking for maximum hybrid options, Mazda may not be your first stop. But from a safety standpoint, I understand why Consumer Reports likes it. Mazda tends to build vehicles that feel driver-focused. They do, don't they? The controls are usually simple. The cabins are not overloaded with distractions. The steering feels connected. And the vehicles generally feel like they want you involved in the driving, not completely checked out behind the wheel. Because safety is not just about sensors and warning beeps, I think that matters. It also is about visibility, control layout, how distracted the driver can be, and whether the vehicle feels predictable. Consumer Reports mentions that several Mazda models earned the Top Safety Pick Plus recognition, including Mazda 3, CX-30, 50, 70, and 90. That's a strong showing. For shoppers, Mazda is worth a serious look if you want something that feels a little more premium than a typical mainstream vehicle without paying full luxury brand prices. That CX-50 gives you that rugged compact SUV vibe. The 70 and 90 push closer to luxury territory. And that Mazda 3 still feels like one of the nicest compact cars you can buy without a luxury badge. But again, don't just hear Mazda is safe and assume it can fit your life. Check the space for yourself. Sit inside of it. Check that cargo area. Can you put luggage back there? What about visibility? Check the trim, because a safe car still has to work for your daily routine. Before you buy your next car, truck, or SUV, compare prices in your area free by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a link below, because picking a safer vehicle matters, but getting the right deal matters too. Again, that's quotes.everymandriver.com. It's all based on zip code. So if you don't find what you're looking for in your area, change your zip code. The better deal might be one town over.